Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the buds, charged and ready. Pick the silicone tip that feels snug but not painful. Once you choose the correct size, align the earbud with your ear canal at a slight upward angle and insert gently. Rotate the bud back toward the rear of your head about 30 to 45 degrees until you feel a light seal. Make sure to wipe both the earbud nozzle and your outer ear so nothing blocks contact before you settle it fully. With the bud seated, play a familiar track at low volume and listen for solid bass. That's your seal confirming proper placement. If bass is thin or sound leaks, remove and swap tip sizes, then reinsert with the same twist and lock motion. Make small adjustments. Push slightly deeper or change angle until the sound balances and comfort remains. Once done, test microphone and call quality by making a short call. Make sure controls respond and that the earbud stays stable when you move. Now settle into comfort. Wear each bud for about 15 to 20 minutes to confirm there's no pressure spot and the seal holds. Use the app or Bluetooth settings to fine-tune EQ and enable transparency or noise cancel modes if available. Make sure controls are mapped to your preferences. If sound drops, one key troubleshooting step is to remove tips and deep clean both nozzle and ear canal, then try a different tip size. If that fails, perform a factory reset through the case pairing sequence to restore performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.